Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm making cheesy scones. They are quick bread from Europe like we have biscuits here in US. Serve them for breakfast or as a tea time snack. Scones can be sweet or savory, but it's a savory cheesy scone recipe for tender, moist, buttery scones that are quick and easy to make. So let's go and make it happen. So first take a baking sheet and then I line it with the parchment paper and then I keep this baking sheet on the side. Then I took a large mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour in there. Then I'll be adding some sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. Then I'll be seasoning with some salt and a little bit of crushed black pepper. Then for a kick, I'll be adding some paprika. You can substitute with the red pepper as well. Then I took cold butter, which is cut into little cubes, and then I will be cutting the butter into the flour mixture. You can use a pastry cutter or two knives, but I'll be doing it with the hand. Just pick up a cold piece of butter with the flour in your hand and press it with your thumb like so. Your end result will be like crumbly, some big pieces and some small chunks are okay. Then I'll be adding two cheeses, cheddar and parmesan. You can use either one of them. Then you can add some chives or you can add some green onions. I only had the parsley, so add some chopped parsley. Then we need to make a batter with some buttermilk. Buttermilk are easily available in the market, but I made my own with a cup of milk mixed with a tablespoon of vinegar and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now we need to knead the dough and just add the buttermilk little by little until all the flour mixture comes together and form a little ball. Then just dust the flour on your working surface and transfer this dough onto your working surface. Combine all the ingredients. Do not overmix, otherwise your scones will be tough. Then roll the dough and make like around a 7 to 8 inch circle. You can use the rolling pin. I spread the dough with the hand. Then take a circle cookie cutter and cut the scones and then transfer them onto your prepared sheet and space them like 2 inches apart. Then to give it a very good nice color on top of your scones, you can brush them with the milk or cream. And then I'll be sprinkling some shredded Parmesan cheese on top. Then you can throw them in the oven, which is preheated on 400 degrees, and bake them for at least 18 minutes or the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Your delicious buttery scones are ready to serve. Serve them for the breakfast or for a tea time snack. It's perfect for school snack or after school snack. Just cut from the middle, put some scrambled egg or tomatoes or lettuce, and you can have a perfect breakfast sandwich. If you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.